Rescuers in Morocco are scouring the rubble to reach people trapped beneath collapsed homes after Friday's powerful earthquake. It has so far killed more than 2,100 people and left many more injured and homeless. The 6.8 magnitude quake, the strongest in the North African country's history, struck the Atlas mountain range 72 kilometers southwest of the city of Marrakesh. It has cut off remote communities. It was also felt in the coastal cities of Rabat and Casablanca, as well as Agadir, which in the 1960s had to be completely rebuilt after a devastating tremor. This team of rescuers from Spain, consisting of 50 soldiers and 4 dogs, arrived in Marrakesh on Sunday. We were in Turkey. We help out around the world, no matter the distance. Regarding our neighbor country Morocco and our close relationship, we just had to come. There have been several aftershocks, one measuring 3.9. People are continuing to sleep outside on pavements and in squares, fearing returning to their homes. The World Health Organization said more than 300,000 people have been affected by Friday's earthquake and are warning that food, water and medicines are needed.